Hello everybody, my name is Elian Simonel. Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to learn about future continuous. So I hope you will enjoy this lesson. So let's start. Future continuous. What is the future continuous? The future continuous tense is used to talk about actions that will be happening at a specific time in the future. It shows that something will be in progress at that time. إذن oui, le futur continuous listikamilaza action izay mbola handalo amin'ny fotoana raiky vao ataoko. Izy magnaboaka it shows that something will in progress. Hoe magnambara le zavatra ampagnanaovana izy amin'ny fotoana raiky ho avy io zay. Stricter. Subject plus will be plus verb ing. De structure fanataoko lera mitovitovy izy ty de just magnaraka structure foana. I will be plus verb ing studying at this is a specific time in the past at 8 p.m. I will be studying at 8 p.m. Izany hoe hianatra izy amin'ny fotoana ty. They will be playing football tomorrow, specific time in the future. Tomorrow. Oviana de tomorrow. They will be playing. Hoe volagnina le zavatra raiky andalo amin'ny future. De amin'ny fotoana karakory mampiasa izy? When do we use it? Action in progress at the future time. Le action mbola mandalo zegny amin'ny futur. Ohatra hoe at 10 o'clock I will be eating dinner. Amin'ny 10 heures aty. De I will be eating. Zaho mihina hariva. To ask politely about someone's plan. Volagnina lesiny magnontany ampanajagna le plan'olo araiky. Ohatra hoe will you be using your car tonight? Will you be using your car tonight? Hoe ampiasainao ma le tomobilinao hariva ty? Hoe lesiny magnontany ampanajagna le plan'olo. Magnaraka fahatelo. To show that something is expected to happen in the future. Hoe magnambara le raha misy handalo tampoka amin'ny futur. Ohatra hoe don't call him at 6. He will be sleeping. He will be sleeping. Aza kahigna izy amin'ny 6. Amin'ny enigny. He will be sleeping. Hoandry izy amin'ny fotoana io. Amin'ny fotoana raiky in the past at 6. Don't call him. Hoe magnambara le action tsy mila atao amin'ny futur. Hoe tampoko expected to happen. Hoe hiarovagna raha mbo tsy handalo zegny. De karaha fampitandremagna igny. Afaka mampiasa future continuous antsika. So that's all for today. Don't forget to practice this lesson. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.